The next day, Shinzo returned to the beach. He sat on the same rock and listened to the waves again. He didn't know what he was waiting for, but somehow it felt right. Each wave seemed to carry a quiet message, a reminder that the world doesn't always need to be understood. Sometimes you just need to listen. From that day on, Shinzo visited the beach often. He stopped worrying about finding answers to life's big questions. Instead, he found comfort in the quiet rhythm of the waves, a sound that didn't explain anything, yet somehow made everything feel clear. Sometimes in life, we don't need to understand everything. We just need to sit quietly and listen, and that can be enough.